This is my beginner phone repair course. It runs for 5 days. In 5 days, you will learn how to start fixing phones. We'll be focusing only on replacing the parts like screen, battery, charging port, cameras, and back glasses. There's no soldering or fault finding in this course. Simple assembly, disassembly, and replacing the common parts. Nothing else. This course is perfect if you love technology. You want to start as a hobby, you're doing a phone flipping business, or you want to start a career in this phone repair business.
Hi, my name is Lokesh. So I searched on Google regarding the mobile repairing course. My experience so far really good. I've completed my course within 5 days. I learned all the repairs like mobile, iPad, Android, everything.
My own feedback is you've given more than what I expected. I mean, like, you're very free in terms of sharing all your knowledge. I didn't find you holding some knowledge during the course. I think a practical hands-on approach really helped me, and I think that's what I needed.
I know you are a beginner, you're gonna start something new, but one day I was a beginner too. So if I'm on to this level, you're gonna be on this level as well. So if you wanna kickstart your career in this industry, contact me now.